Come, let's watch this piece together. Rare carnelian. Does it hold a hidden power? Carnelian. Length 34.6 inches, weight 88 centimeters. Carnelian chip necklace, natural beauty. Carnelian chip necklace, translucent warmth, natural texture. Share your thoughts. What do you love most about this raw carnelian piece? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next amazing piece. Get ready to discover a new world of gemstones. Subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a video.